pull up a chair. 3.0 people. You'll need a chair, no wheels, no arms. You'll need an extra set of weights for the upper body. All right, shoes on. We're doing some cardio, some strength training, some upper body and core work. I have a little surprise move for you that'll improve your mobility. When you're 104, you'll be able to get out of a chair. Let's stand it up. If you've got a heart rate monitor, I'd like you to start it right now. And you can select something like hip training. You can select something like cross training. All right, entirely up to you. Remember, Tuesdays are silent training days. It's just about changing the framework, the perspective that we look at things with. A lot of the times we're working out to music, which is extremely helpful. But on a Tuesday, we do it a little bit different. So just march it out for me, please, and get those arms moving, roll those shoulders. I just want you to shake it on out. That's it. Nice, quick workout. March it out for me, please. Easy does it. Beautiful. Start to lift those feet off the floor. Maybe think about pointing and flexing the foot as you lift the foot off the floor. Kind of warming up those ankles. There we go. That's it. March it out. There we go. And big roll of the shoulders up and down the back. Think about moving the spine as well, so curl forward a little bit. Excellent. Now run his arms. So keep a nice bend in the elbow for me and march it out. Here we go. That's it. Beautiful. So remember, to improve endurance and fitness, it's all about working against yourself. How do you feel? How did you sleep last night? How much water did you have yesterday? Did you eat properly yesterday? All those things matter. All right? It's not just about what you did this morning, but also included. That's it. I was reading some stuff this morning about how we say 8 glasses a day of water and 8 hours of sleep. And FYI, those things are not based on science, okay? Drink enough water to make sure you feel good. If you're thirsty, drink. If you're tired, you need to sleep a little longer. All right? Keep those things in mind. So it's about you paying attention to you. Give me a big inhale, please. Look at the hands as they touch and exhale. So we're going to tilt that head back. Let's do that again. Big inhale. Look at the hands as they touch. Tilt the head back. Nice job. One more time. Big inhale. Keep the hands up. Separate them. Keep them at shoulder height. Now, pull the shoulder away from the ears. Yes. Sometimes that's hard to do. You don't necessarily always do that. Hold them up for me, please. And make sure your thumbs are pointing to the back of the room. Hold them up. Hold them up. That's it. Now, pull the shoulders towards the ears. Really lift. And so therefore, you're pulling your ribs away from your hips. And exhale, shake it out. That should have worked the shoulders. Let's do that again. Big inhale 3 times. Tilt the head back. Look at the hands as they touch and exhale. Let's go again. Big inhale. Tilt the head back. Look at the hands as they touch. Now we're going to keep them up there. That's it. Look at the hands as they touch. Bring the head back to neutral. Separate the hands. Pull the shoulders away from the ears. Nice job. I want your hands to be as straight as possible. Thumbs pointing to the back of the room. Turn those wrists. That's it. Now, lift. Pull the shoulders towards the ears. Lift it up. Lift it up. And exhale, let it down. Good. One more time. March it out for me, please. That's it. Big inhale. Tilt the head. Look at the hands as they touch. Exhale. Again. Big inhale. Look at the hands as they touch. Tilt that head back. Get some movement in that neck. And now we're holding it up. Look at the hands as they touch. Then neutral with the head. Pull the shoulders away from the ears. Thumbs back. Hands as straight as you can handle. Can you make it a bigger march for me, please? Maybe you need to slow it down. Come on. Drive those knees up. Keeping those knees driving up. Pull the shoulders to the ears. Come on. Nearly there, nearly there. And exhale. Beautiful. All the way onto your left leg. Roll that hip. Open it up. One more time. Good. Drive that knee into the chest. Roll the ankle. Other direction. Good. Grab that foot. Give me a nice quad stretch. If you need to put it down on the ground, that's okay. Do you see how that hip is sticking out? I don't want that. Yeah. That's Suzanne being a little bit sloppy. Good job. Into that hamstring, back into that quad stretch. Work some balance. Can you do it? I know. Give it a try. It's okay if you put your foot down in between. And step it all the way back into a calf stretch. Big step back. Come to standing. That's it. Nearly there. Excellent job. Halfway in between, let's do some chain breakers. Focus on warming up that upper body. Keep those elbows at shoulder height for me, please. That's it. Put a smile on your face. You are doing something good for your mind and your body, believe it or not. Up over the head. Can you do it a little faster? You feeling some heat building? Got a little bit of sweat on my upper lip. Attractive. Beautiful job. Shake it out for me, please. Let's open up that left hip now. One more time. Good. Drive that knee into the chest. Roll the ankle. Other direction. Grab that foot. That's it. Pull it back. Quad stretch. Straighten up that hip. Into the hamstring. Some dynamic stretching to help the body get lubricated, get ready. One more time. Step it all the way back, calf stretch. Come to standing, really big. Nearly there. That's it. Good job. Now just give me a little lymphatic drainage hop. If your feet come off the floor here, that's great. If they don't, that is also fine. Okay, the knees stay bent, and I want you to just like let it all hang. This helps, you know, like a trampoline. This helps with lymphatic drainage. Lymphatic drainage helps with immune system. That's where the body kind of keeps toxins. There are a few places it keeps toxins. Come on, let's go. And by the way, when you sweat, you release some toxins. We're doing it. Let's go, another 10 seconds, and then we start our 5-minute cardio. Are you ready? Nice, easy cardio to begin a hustle. So I like to call these my Bobby steps. Ding, 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 right? That's it. So it's like a modification of a high knee. So the knees don't come too high, but the legs are moving fairly quick. And I'm also pumping my arms. That's really important. Let's go. Nice and steady. Now, here's where you can adjust. Maybe you need to slow down. Maybe you need to speed up. Okay, tune in. Pay attention to what the body's telling you. Come on. What is really important here is that you stay steady. That's what I want. That teaches you to learn your own endurance and fitness level. Okay, I'm gonna need to turn to the side and I'm gonna get some skaters in. Get that towel out of the way. So we just want some side to side, some lateral movements. How big is up to you. Now if you want to make it harder, you can take that other leg behind and tap it down. Okay, or you can just do side to side, up to you. Make this side movement as big as possible, and I still want you using your arms. That's it. Come on. Keep going, side to side. Good job, face me, toy soldiers. So we're tapping the hand to the opposite leg, and we'd like that leg to come up to hip height. Windmill those arms all the way around. Good job. That's it. Make sure you're doing like a knee kick. Protect that knee joint. Come on. Past halfway. You got this. Come with me. Kick that foot up. Come on, hip height. Beautiful, beautiful. Minute number 4, basketballers. You don't have to hop. You just want the hands down on the ground and then up over the head. Your pace. That's it. Now remember, if you want to make this movement smaller, you can start moving the arms, okay? You can step it in and out. That's options. Options. Keep you moving. Come on, stay with me. All right, as we started the hustle, glasses come off. Pump those arms. This is your last minute here. Come on. Those knees are coming up in front. That's it. Come on. Come with me. 30 more seconds here. Then we come do that groundwork. 10 of them. Now, if you can't keep up with me, that's okay. Just gonna keep doing it until I tell you my 10 are up. We're gonna time on me. Come on. Hustle. Hustle. Stay with me. This mobility challenge will help you with movement. 3, 2, come down into plank position. Good job. All right, step forward. Deep primal squat. Come back, kick it like a rocket. Roll forward. That's 1. Let's go. That's 2. Staying on the floor, as close to the floor as you can handle. 3. Come on. Plank, primal squat. Lean back into a variation of tabletop. Kick those legs. Step back into plank. 4, putting the weight in the hands is crucial. I know it doesn't feel okay sometimes, but you'll get there. Halfway, keep going. Come on. Come on. Whatever you can do. If you need to drop to your knees, go ahead. If you need to drop onto the butt, go ahead. Just keep going. 7 now. Are you kicking nice and high? 8. We're nearly there. Come with me. It's okay. Whatever you're doing is okay. Just keep trying. 2 more. Last time. Come into that primal squat. Variation of tabletop. Kick it like a rocket. Woo! Woo! Back over. That's it. Come to standing. Reset right here. Round 2. That's round 1. Now round 2. Come with me. Let's go. Hustle. We only have 3 rounds today. I'm gonna try not to really take a break in those 3 rounds, okay? A solid 15 minutes plus a little extra, doing the work on the ground. and that lymphatic drainage hop. Come on. Are you pumping the arms? Now, pull the belly button in towards the spine. Keep your back nice and strong. Let's go. Pump those legs for me. That's it. Come on, Allison. All the way up and down with those arms. That's it. All right. 5 seconds. We're going to start doing the skater. So I'm going to turn to the side. Give me the room. 3, 2, 1 minute of skater. So we're doing some lateral moves here. That hustle works the frontal body. And this skater works the side body, inner outer thigh, obliques. Make sure you're moving those arms. Come on. Breathe. As big a step to the side as you can handle. Come on, come on. Toy soldiers, let's go. Kick it up. Alternate hand to the leg or the foot. Pull that belly button in. Strong back. We're past halfway. Well done. You got this. Basketballers in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Any variation. Don't have to hop. That's it. Keep going. Remember, you can step it in and out. You don't have to use the arms. Keep going. This is the biggest movement. Breathe. The end of minute 4. Heading back into the hustle in 3, 2, let's go. Pump the arms. I got ya. I got ya. Are your arms moving? Are you T-Rex? So prehistoric. Come on. 30 more seconds. 10 on the ground. Don't stop yet. I know. It's only 15 minutes. I know. I know. Come on. In 10 seconds. Remember, you do what you can. We're aiming for 10. In 3, 2, come down on the ground, plank position for me, please. Let's go. Step it forward. Primal squat. Variation tabletop. Rocket. Back into the reverse position. Let's go. Come on. 1, That's 2. Come on, let's go. Your pace. If you're slower than me, that's okay. If you're faster than me, that's okay. 3. Come on. 4. Try and stay low to the ground. The lower you stay, the better for your mobility and flexibility. If you gotta put anything on the ground like the butt or the knees, go ahead. Okay, halfway. 5 done, 5 to go. Come on, look at it from the side. Let's go. That's 6 done, 4 to go. Woo! Woo! Come on! Rockette Christmas Carol concert, you got this. This is 7. Come on, 8, 9, and 10 to go. You got this, you got this. I'm with you. 9 and 10 to go. Am I proud of you? Heck yes. These are not easy. Take coordination, balance, timing, and strength. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo. Let's do one more for good spirit. Come on. That's because I miscount. And I'm not sure if that was 10 or 9. So we're just doing an extra one because, you know, then no one can blame us. Good. Come to standing. Reset your last round. Plyometric drainage. Come on. Plyometric drainage. If your feet are coming off the floor, yeah. But it doesn't have to. Come back to me. It's your last round. Remember, I am hopping off the ground, but you can just keep the toes on the ground. Okay, 5 minutes, and we are done the cardio. Come on, I know. In 5, 4, 3, hustle. Pump those arms. 5 minutes to go. Are those arms moving? That's it. Come closer to me, come closer to me. Give me a virtual high five. Woo, 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 woo. Come on, back it up, back it up. Yes. Stay here, keep moving. Check the arms, check the knees, check the belly, check the smile on your face. Keep moving for me. 5 steady minutes. I got you, and you got me. I got you, babe. Sharon, Sunny, huh? That's us. That's us. All right, less than 10 seconds. The skater. So I'm going to turn to the side to prep. In 3, in 2, skater. 4 minutes to go, people. How big a jump can you do in the middle? Do you have to have that foot touch down? Maybe, maybe not. Are you moving the arms? Is your belly braced? Are you smiling? I know, maybe not now, but okay, it's coming, it's coming. That's it, come on. As big as you can, side to side. Breathe, pace yourself. We're heading to the toy soldier. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 3 minutes. I'm gonna add a little hop, a little spice. Breathe. Get that knee and ankle up to hip height. Windmill those arms. Are we all thinking of Judy right now? Hey, Judy. She's working hard now. She's working hard. Come on. A different type of working hard. Let's go. Finish off strong. Come on. All right, we're heading to the basketballers. In 3, 2, 1. 2 minutes. Up and down. Bend those knees. Make sure you're not bending over, but squatting. Stay steady. Heading into your last minute. Gonna go into that hustle in 3, 2, hustle. Let's go. Last minute. Don't stop now. We are all tired. Wiggle your toes in your shoes. Breathe. Yes. Yes. Slow it down or speed it up. Up to you. Come on. Pump those arms. Drive those knees. Less than 30 seconds. Less than 15 seconds. 10 mobility on the floor, okay? Less than 10 seconds. 3, 2, come on down, plank position. I'm just straightening out my mat. Let's go. Primal squat, tabletop, rocket. Come on, that's 10. Come on, step it back, let's go. Your pace. Let's go, we're aiming for 10. This is 9. Come on. 8. How high can you kick that leg? How low can you keep that butt close to the ground? 7. Woo! Come on, people, we're nearly done. With me, with me, with me. 6. Just keep moving. All right. Primal. Tabletop. Rocket. 5. Past halfway. Come on. 4. Do you notice I'm favoring some arms and legs? So I'm going to try and switch it out. 3, that's okay. We all favor sides of the body. Come on, 2 more, 2 more. Everybody, everybody. 2. Last one. Oh, you did it, you did it. 1. Back into the plank. Stand it up for me, please. Rest. Well done. Oh. White drink. Whew. Oh, well done, my peeps. All right, get an all-out rest here. Walk it out. Please don't sit down. I know if you have to sit down, try not to. But if you are feeling like that, make sure you drop your head. That'll help you. All right, get something to drink. Cheers. Oh. And now we're gonna pull up a chair. All right, I know. So Sometimes we do cardio first, sometimes we do cardio second. Okay, as long as we get in some cardio, it's always beneficial. Yes, cardio helps improve endurance and fitness level. It also helps strengthen the heart-lung connection. Okay, and that's really crucial, especially times like now, we know. All right. Okay, you should start feeling a lot better, and you should be able to curse me. Oh, you're muted. Can't hear you. Darn it. Get another sip of water, pull up that chair, let's get going. Oh. All right. So, to begin, we're going to start in the front of the chair, so make sure you got some room in the front. You can have your towel in your hand. Okay. We're going to just imagine that we want the butt cheek to kiss the chair seat. All right, here we go. Legs maybe hip width apart. If you want a little turn on the toes, you can. Come back to me in 3, 2, 1. We're going to sit back and touch. 10, just tap. 9, just tap. 8, just tap. 7, 6, that chair is just a gauge. 5, you want to hit it every time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now come down, pulse. 10, 9, 8, tap. 6, tap. 4, 3, 2, come up. 10 taps, let's go. 10, 9, 8, come on. 7, 6, 5, just tap. 4, if you can't keep up with me, that's okay. 3, try. 2, 1, bottom half, keeping it low, tap it out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, come up. 10 singles, let's go. 10, no break. 9, let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, stay low. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get your weights. Sit it down on your chair. Let's go. Bicep curls. In 3, 2, 1. Underhand grip. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, come on, all the way up and down, 2 and 1. Good. Narrow overhead, palms are facing each other. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, all the way up and down. 3, 2, and 1. Open wide. Overhead press. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All the way down, back to those bicep curls. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, come on, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now to make sure those weights are close by, put them down on either side of the chair. And make sure they're on the side, not in front. Okay? And let's go. We're gonna stand up and sit all the way down. 10, knees up. Stand up, sit all the way down. 9, knees up. Suck that belly in. Stand all the way up. 8. Come on. Let's go. 7, suck the belly in, so work the core. 6, make sure the legs are separate, not touching. 5, all the way up and down, sit. 4, you see where my hands are? They kind of help bracing. 3. Now we're going to continue this, and we're going to add on 2. Come back, 1. All right, same thing. Sit down, lift the knees to the chest, now extend the legs. Woo, 10. Ah, that's really hot on the lower abs. 9, gotta extend the legs. You can do one at a time if it's too hard. 8, yeah, you see? A little bit easier, one at a time. 7, just make sure you alternate if you're doing one at a time. Come on. 6, you got this. 5, woo, slow it down. Hey, where you going? Where you? 4, with me, lift those legs. 3, a variation of boat pose. 2, and last one, this is it. 1, good job, stand it up. All right, just tapping the butt, let's go for 10. 10, 9, you know these now. 8, we're gonna do a variation, so don't get too comfortable. Stay with me. 6, 5, 4, come on. 3, 2, 1. Lift the right heel. Let's go. 10, push all the weight in the left leg. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, come on. 4, 3, 2, give me one more. Down and pulse, keep that right heel lifted. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, come up. 10 singles, keep the right heel lifted. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, tap it. 5, we're not sitting down in it. 4, 3, 2, you know where we're going, right? Stay down low and keep tapping. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, come up. Last set, let's go. 10, keep the right heel up. 9, 8, we're done. 7, 6, 5, woohoo! 4, Merry Christmas. 3, 2, that's my present to you. And stay down, pulse last time. 10, 9, 8, touch each time. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, come up. Heel down, give me 10. 10, come on. 9, I know. 8, ooh, you feel how tight it is? Yeah, you're welcome. 5 more, come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, sit all the way down. Woo! Pick up those weights. You know the sequence. Underhand grip, bicep curls, or narrow, wide abs. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, all the way down and up. Good, bring it into narrow, palms facing. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wide. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, come on. 3, 2, 1. Back to the biceps. All the way down and up. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, one more. Put the weights down to the side of the chair. Stand it up. Abs, let's go. Sit, drive the knees in. 10, no rest, come on. 9, suck the belly in. Pull the belly button to the spine. 8, 7, 6, drive it in. Try and drive those knees up high. 5, legs are separate. 4, that up and down is also challenging for the heart. 3, 2, are you ready? One more like that. Let me extend the legs. So I want you to even slow it down a little bit more, right? Let's go. Sit it down. Drive the knees in. Extend the legs. 10. Hold those knees up. 9. 8. Let me see if I can show you from the side. 7. 6. Do you see how I keep those knees up? Or I'm trying. Up. 5. Keep them up. So it's going to help the abs, especially lower abs. 4. Come on. 3. You got this. 2. You know where we're going now, right? 1. Come on. I know. You can always do one at a time. In and out of the chair. Let's go. 10. 9. Sit it down. 8. All the way up and down. 7. 6. Now just start tapping. 5. Just tap. 4. Just tap. 3. We're going to that left heel. 2. And 1. Lift that left heel high off the ground. All the weight in the right. Let's go. 10. We have 3 sets. 9. 8. 7. 6. Push. 5. 4. Let it talk. 3. As deep as you can. 2. Try and tap that chair. Stay down, pulse. Give me 10. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. Keep the knees pointing to me. 4. 3. 2. 1. Come up. Tap it out. Let's go. 10. Round 2. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. You're getting stronger every day. 2. Come on. 1. Stay down, pulse. Come with me. I know. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Come up. Up and down. Let's go. 10. 9. Come, come, come. 8. It's not easy for anyone. 7. 6. This is how you make changes. 5. You get stronger, more capable, more powerful. 3. 2. A stronger mind. You got this. Stay down, pulse. Let's go. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. Tap. 2. Come up. Heel down. Tap it out. 10. We're done. 9. We're done. 8. 7. 6. Yes. 5. 4. 3. 2. No more squats. 1. Sit it down. Well, you know we have to do the abs, right? Pick up your weights. Last time here. Underhand grip. Come on, come back, come on. 3, 2, 1. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. Mind over matter. 5. 4. 3. 2. Narrow. Set it up. Let's go. 10. 9. 8. You got this. 7. 6. 5, 4, come on, 3, 2, wide, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, biceps, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Get rid of the weights. Good. You ready? Stand it up. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, suck that belly in, 6, 5, come on, 4, let's go, in and out of chair, 3, try not to use your hands, that'll help you, 2, one more, and then we're going to extend those legs, so we go even slower, better to go slow than to miss it, 10, come with me, come on, alternate the legs if you need to, 9, you're never going to be able to do it unless you try, come on, 8, even if it's out front, come on, come on, let's go, 7, let's go, up and out, let's go, you got this, this is 5, come on, down and up, 4, 3, extend those legs, 2, last one, well done. Oh, we are not finished. Take that chair out in front, lean on it, you might want your towel. If your chair has a back, take the back to the side, yeah? Okay, let's go. Right leg, keep a bend in that knee. Yep, let's go. 3, 2, 1, 1 minute up and down. So the knees together and then knee to butt height. Flex that foot. Now suck your belly in. Your pace. I'd like your left leg to be straight. And I'd like your right leg to keep that 90-degree bend. Come on. So that standing leg is working because it's stabilizing the body. The core is working because it's stabilizing the body as well. All right. And the moving leg working that glute. Come on. That minute is nearly done. Now we're going to keep working that right leg, but we're going to straighten the leg. Let's go. Now straighten it. Kick it all the way. Kick that leg straight. Nearly there. Come on. 15 more seconds here. We're just finishing it off like a punisher. Good. Now take those legs back so you're doing an elevated plank. Hold it. Stay there. I'm just facing you so you can see. Hold that plank, an elevated plank. This is a variation of the plank. Okay. Now head up, chin up. Bring that right leg in, straighten it. Left leg, keep the bend in the knee. Let's go. 1 minute. That right leg as straight as possible. That left leg, keep the bend in the knee. 1 minute right here. We're just finishing it off. Getting a nice burn. So make sure that right leg is straight, and make sure that left knee is bent at 90 degrees. Come on, lift it as high as you can. Knees together, then knee to hip height. Let's go. 20 seconds to go here. Come on. I know. It gets real tight. Leg gets real heavy. Are you ready? We're going to do 30 seconds of a kick. Let's go. Kick it all the way. Straighten that left leg. It's like you want to touch the heel to the ceiling. Going into that hamstring. We're nearly done. Come with me. Keep going. Keep going. And into that high supported plank. So straighten those legs. Head up, chin up. Make sure the wrists are under the shoulders. So we're not back here. Bring it forward. Working that plank. Less than 15 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3. Push the chair to the side. Let's tap it out. Get those weights out of the way, Suzanne, before you break your neck. You know, because a broken neck won't look good on you. Right? Okay. Tap it out for me, please. We're just going to cool it down, stretch it out, and we are finished. Thank you so much for working out with me. You did a fabulous job. All right, let's go all the way onto the left leg. Yep, open up that hip. Good. Drive that knee into the chest. Hold it there. Hold it. Pull it in. Don't fall over. Sorry, I might have made you lose your balance there. Rotate your ankle. Other direction. Grab that foot, pull it all the way back. Quad stretch. Push that hip in. Reach that hand up. Good job. All the way out in front. Hamstring stretch. Grab the toe if you can. Hold it. So we do some static stretches here to help improve flexibility. Good. Can you take it down a little further? Oh, hands on the ground if they're not there already. Bend your knees if you need to. Step all the way back into a runner's lunge. So what's really important in a runner's lunge is that the front leg, knee and ankle are lined up. If your hands are on the inside, that's okay. If they're straddling the foot, that's okay. Up to you. Good. Straighten both the legs, drive the butt up. Straddle forward fold, so the legs are spread. And then step forward and roll it up. Let's go to the left leg. All the weight on the right. Open up the hip. Oops, I forgot. Good. Drive that knee into the chest. Hold it there. Find your balance. Rotate that ankle. Other direction. Grab the foot. Go into a nice quad stretch. We're holding it a little longer. Balance. Reach that hand up. All the way out in front. Hamstring. Grab the foot if you can. If you can't, that's okay. You can have your hands on your hips. Can you go a little lower? If your hands are not on the ground already, get them there. Bend the knees, step back into that Full runner's lunge. Full runner's lunge meaning that back knee stays off the ground. Straddle the foot if you want, hands on the inside if you want, doesn't matter. Good. Straighten both legs, drive that butt up, straddle, forward fold. Bring that right foot forward, and then roll yourself up. Good job. Round the back, clasp the hands, palms to me. And open. Let's do that again. Round, roll, clasp the hands, and open. Oh, one more time. And open. Bring the legs together, roll the shoulders forward. Good, shake it out. A nice big inhale. And exhale. You did it. Inhale, think something good. I'm strong, I'm capable. I did something good for my body and my mind. Big inhale, clasp the hands down to the heart of the mat. Thank you so much for working out with me. As always, I hope you're sweaty. I hope you're tired. But most important, I hope you feel good. Thank you very much, ladies, gents. Have a great day.